up, blooms? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a soothing herbal refresher spray. The first ingredient that I'm using is rosemary. Rosemary helps to relieve irritated and itchy scalp. It also stimulates and improves scalp circulation. Next, I'm using mint leaves. Mint leaves have one of the highest sources of keratin and antioxidants and offers natural antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Lastly, I'm using hibiscus powder. Hibiscus is rich in vitamin C, helps to boost collagen for hair growth, and has amino acids to nourish hair and strengthen roots. I'm starting off by adding a couple spoonfuls of hibiscus powder to the pot along with some mint leaves and rosemary. Next, I'm adding in about 2 cups of distilled water. Bring the mixture to a boil and let it steep for about 10 minutes. Now I'm using a strainer and cheesecloth to strain out the hibiscus powder. After straining, let the tea cool down for about 5 to 7 minutes before adding some additional ingredients. In this recipe, I'm using almond oil because it has a lighter consistency than most oils. I don't want the refresher spray to be too heavy and weighed down. Next, I'm adding a few drops of glycerin to the mixture. Glycerin is a natural humectant and will help to draw moisture from the air to your strands. For my essential oils, I'll be using a few drops of rosemary and peppermint to stimulate and soothe my scalp. After adding all of the ingredients, I'm transferring everything into a bottle. If you have leftovers of the tea, store it in an airtight container like a mason jar to freeze. Now I'll show you how to use the refresher spray to moisturize your protective style.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah. Ooh. We should breathe slow. 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 We should breathe slow.
Y'all, so I just got done moisturizing my hair with my new Herbal refresher spray and also my Garden of Bloom hair oil, and my scalp feels really refreshed right now. I really like the peppermint and the rosemary on my scalp. My scalp feels very fresh but not overpowering, and since there is peppermint in this as well, I feel like if you have braids or any other kind of protective style, you really would enjoy the tingly sensation that is from this refresher spray as well as the mint in here. But yeah, overall I'm really happy with this refresher spray. I feel like if you're looking to do your own kind of refresher spray for your hair, whether it's natural and out or in a protective style like mine is, I think you would really enjoy this because of the natural ingredients that are in here. And in terms of storing it, I'm going to be putting this in the fridge for a few days. Make sure that you use it up for the week. If not, like I showed you guys earlier, you can add it to a mason jar and freeze it, and whenever you're ready to use it, you can let it thaw out and then place it back into your spray bottle. But all in all, I'm really happy with this refresher spray. I can play around and add more ingredients to it next time, but so far I'm really liking the ingredients that I have in it already. I wanted to add horsetail because you guys know I love horsetail. That's one of my favorite herbs, but this time around I wanted to just play around with just the hibiscus, the rosemary, and the peppermint. And yeah, I really like it, and if you guys try it out, let me know what you guys think. Also, this 360 mist bottle and the new 4 ounce of my Bloom nourishing oil is available on my website. I'll leave the link in the description box for you guys to check out. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.